Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hello, hello.
My name is Jennifer.
My name is Levent.
Nice to meet you, Levent.
Nice to meet you too, Jennifer.
And nice to meet you, our listener.
Yes, hello, listener. Welcome.
Today we learn simple English. We learn greetings, numbers, days, and more.
Oh, great.
Are you ready, Levent?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready, listener? Say it with me. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's start with greetings. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Great. Now let's practice a small conversation.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Very good. Let's say it again slowly. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You can also say, I'm good, or I'm okay.
I'm good. I'm okay.
And if you feel tired, you can say, I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Hello, Levent. How are you?
I'm tired.
Oh no, drink some tea.
Good idea.
Listener, now it's your turn. Say, hello, how are you? Good. Now say, I'm fine, thank you.
Great job.
Now let's learn numbers. Ready?
Yes.
Listen and repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Let's say all together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great.
Easy.
Now let's count things.
Okay.
I have 1 cup.
I have 1 cup.
I have 2 pens.
I have 2 pens.
I have 3 apples.
I have 3 apples.
Good.
Let's try more.
I have 5 fingers.
I have 5 fingers too.
Very good. Listener, count with us. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. Now let's learn the days of the week.
Oh, I like this part.
Listen and repeat. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great job, Levent.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's say them again slowly. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Now, let's talk. What day is it today, Levent?
Today is Monday.
And what day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Good. What day is after Friday?
Saturday.
Nice. What day is before Monday?
Sunday.
Perfect. Listener, can you say all the days? Go. Great job. Let's learn some everyday objects.
Okay.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
This is a table.
This is a table.
This is a phone.
This is a phone.
Great. Now let's play a game. I say the word, you point.
Okay.
Pen,
Here.
book,
Here.
chair.
Here.
Nice. Listener, you try too. When I say the word, point at it. Table. Pen. Great. Now a small question. What is this?
It is a phone.
Good. What is that?
That is a chair.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about food and drinks.
I love food.
Me too. Okay, listen and repeat. Apple,
Apple.
banana,
Banana.
bread,
Bread.
rice,
Rice.
chicken,
Chicken.
fish.
Fish.
Now drinks. Water,
Water.
tea,
Tea.
coffee,
Coffee.
juice,
Juice.
milk.
Milk.
Excellent. Now let's talk. What do you like, Levent?
I like apples.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. I like tea.
Me too. I like tea. Let's practice with our listener. Say it with us. I like apples. I like tea. I don't like coffee.
Good job, listener.
Now, let's talk about daily life. What do we do every day?
Ooh, I wake up.
Yes, I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Very good. What next?
I go to work.
Or I go to school.
Yes, I go to school.
I come home.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I watch my tablet.
I take a shower.
I go to bed.
Nice. Let's say all together slowly. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I come home.
I come home.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Let's ask small questions. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Nice. Listener, now you try. What time do you wake up? What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you go to bed? Wonderful. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, review time.
First, greetings.
Hello, hi, good morning, good night.
Great. Next, numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wonderful. Days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Excellent. Objects.
Pen, book, chair, table, phone,
Perfect. Food and drinks.
apple, banana, bread, rice, chicken, fish, water, tea, coffee, juice, milk.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, I'm hungry now.
And daily activities?
I wake up, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, eat dinner, go to bed.
Beautiful. Now let's do a little listening game. I'll say a sentence. You say it after me.
Okay.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I like apples.
I like apples.
Good. Now I'll ask some questions. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish.
Great. Listener, your turn. Do you like tea? Do you like coffee? Do you like fish? Perfect. Now, let's make a small conversation together.
Okay, I'll try.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
What do you like to eat?
I like chicken and rice.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Good job. Listener, now you try with me. Hello, how are you? What do you like to eat? What do you drink? What time do you wake up? Wonderful. Let's learn some short small talk phrases.
Okay.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Now, imagine you are in a cafe.
Oh, okay.
The waiter says, "Hello, what would you like?
I would like tea, please.
Anything else?"
Yes, I would like toast.
Okay, 1 tea and 1 toast.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice work, Levent.
Thank you, teacher.
Listener, you try. The waiter says, "Hello, what would you like? Anything else?" Wonderful. Today, we learned a lot.
Yes, so many words.
We learned greetings.
Hello, how are you?
We learned numbers.
1, 2, 3.
We learned days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
We learned objects.
Pen, book, chair.
We learned food and drinks.
Apple, banana, water, tea.
We learned daily life.
I wake up, eat breakfast, go to bed.
Perfect. You did great today.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Levent.
And thank you, listener.
Keep listening. Keep speaking. Practice every day.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
That's right. Okay, everyone. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.